Welcome back to PracknCrackPCM. This video will be different from other videos as today we will be celebrating for having 10 subscribers. On this occasion, I am going to tell you where do I live and unravel its unknown facts. So, I live in the universe. In this video, we will be discussing about the birth of the universe and many theories related to it. Oh, what's coming our way? Before learning about the universe, we should know about its classification. This is very weird, as normally at first we should know what is that thing and then we go about its classification. But here the case is vice versa. So the universe has been classified into two parts. First one being the observable universe and the second one being the non-observable universe or simply the universe. So we don't know much about the non-observable universe, but humans have learned about the observable universe very deeply. So let me show you the picture of the observable universe. This picture was taken by the Hubble telescope. As you can see here, there are galaxies, stars, matter and energy. So now we are in a position to ask a question. What is the universe? So universe is all of the space, time and the contents including planets, stars, galaxies, matter and energy. This means that everything which you can feel, see, touch, detect and study is part of the universe. This includes matter, dark matter, space, time and energy. The spatial size of the universe is unknown, but it is possible to measure the size of the observable universe, which is currently estimated to be 93 billion light years in diameter. I have said currently because we are exploring the universe and thus the size of the observable universe is increasing. The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological description of the development of the universe. So it means that the proof for the Big Bang Theory are most satisfying and hence it is the most widely accepted theory. According to the estimation of this theory, time and space emerged 13.799 billion years ago. This means that before the Big Bang, there was no time and space. Hence, we don't know the place where this incident occurred. Our universe emerged from a point of singularity where all the matter and space which we see around us was contained into this point of singularity. The point had an infinite amount of mass and density. When the explosion occurred as Big Bang, all the matter and energy spurted out at a very high amount of pressure. Hence, all the energy and matter initially present in the point of singularity have become less dense as the universe is expanding. So now we know what is the universe. Let's talk about the birth of the universe. There are three theories explaining the birth of the universe. The first one being the Big Bang theory, the second one being the steady state theory, and the third one being the pulsating theory. We will study about all these theories in detail, and I would like to tell you that the Big Bang theory has the most satisfying proofs as compared to the other two theories. Let's begin with the Big Bang theory. The Big Bang theory was proposed by a priest named George Lemaitre. He proposed this theory in 1920. According to him, the Big Bang occurred 13.8 billion years ago. You can note down these points as they are very important. So let me explain you the Big Bang theory. So according to the Big Bang theory, before the universe was formed, there was a point of singularity in which all the mass and energy what we see today was present. It had infinite density and it exploded and released all the energy and matter present in it evenly in all directions. It expanded at a very high speed and thus formed the universe which we see today. This process of formation of the universe was very time consuming as it took billions of years to form this universe. Also, according to the Big Bang theory, the universe is still expanding. Now, let's move on to the second theory, which is the steady state theory. This theory was proposed by British scientists named as Sir Hermann Bondi, Thomas Gold, and Fred Hoyle. This theory was put forward in 1948. According to the steady state theory, the number of galaxies in the observable universe is constant. Due to the expansion of the universe, the space between two galaxies is increasing, and some of the galaxies are crossing the boundaries of the observable universe. To fill out this gap, new galaxies are emerging from the empty space. Let me explain you with an example. So here the galaxy has moved out of the observable universe and there is empty space. So a new galaxy will emerge and you can see the same thing happening below. I hope that you are understood the steady state theory. So let's move on to another theory which is the pulsating theory. The pulsating theory was first proposed in 1879 and was further developed by Arthur Eddington in 1917-18. The theory stated that the universe expands and contracts repeatedly after a particular time period, and it is expanding now, and when the period gets over it will start contracting to the point of singularity. Let me explain you by using this animation. As you can see here, the universe is expanding from a point of singularity, and after a particular period of time, it will stop expanding and start to contract once again to the point of singularity. This process will continue forever and thus it is known as the pulsating theory. I hope that you are clear with all the theories which I explained about the birth of the universe. So I have made you aware of all the theories related to the birth of universe. So guys, if you want me to explain about the evolution of the universe and how it will die, then don't hesitate to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll make a video on this topic when a number of subscribers will reach 50. If you felt that this video was very informative and you got to learn something new, then don't hesitate to click on the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also guys, click on the notification bell to receive all the updates of my new video first. Keep practicing guys. Thank you for watching.